Hey everyone, this video I'm going to talk about the Firefox web browser and how to bring your add-ons up to version 52. Some add-ons are fine, some need to be tweaked a little, so this is going to tell you how to do it. First, I'm using a portable version of Firefox 52.9. So first of all, the best place I've seen to get your add-ons is legacycollector.org. So I'm going to put in frame.ext. I love this extension. It handles all kinds of different sizing issues with frames and removing frames and moving frames to the forefront. So we have a signed version here. It won't work with version 52. So what you do is you would go hit save link as, and it would save it on your hard drive. And here's the program we need. We need 7-zip. Now, I think any version is fine. So as you can see, here's my original, and then I made a copy. So we're going to work off this copy. First, we change the extension to zip. So with this 7-zip program, we're going to extract to a folder of the same name. So it's going to make a folder, and the contents are right in here. Now I'm going to get the install RDF and put it in a notepad. I love Notepad 2. So we're going to find Mozilla Firefox right here. There's other versions like Phlox, but we just want to alter the Mozilla Firefox. And we go to maximum version, and it has 4. So we're going to change that to 52, dot, and a star. So we hit save, and then that is done. So now we need to zip this all back up. So highlight everything, hit add, and this is what makes this possible. You have to have the deflate as the compression method, normal, zip. I'm not sure any of these really matter, these settings. So it should all be ready to go if you your archive format is just zip. So you hit OK. And then there it is. You can move this file to a good place, and we want to rename, instead of zip and the copy, what I'm going to do is signify this has been altered. So I'm just going to put ALT. Sometimes I put my initials, XPI for the extension, and enter. So this is ready to install. First, you would open up your browser, go to Open File. Actually, you can just drag it in also. So I could drag it in, and then you would install from here. And that's it. Of course, I already have this installed, so I won't install it now, but that's all there is to it to get your add-ons up to the current version of your browser. So if you like this program or have any other tips or questions, just put it down in the comments and keep coming back to this channel for more great videos.